Hello, greetings to you all. It's me, Abdul Hadi bin Rabani. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami t-shirt like this. It's so simple to do this for either kids or teenagers as well, including its collar as well as the short sleeves. But before we get started, make sure the paper size must be at least 15 cm width and 20 cm length, while you can also use either normal or colored paper instead of origami paper, especially after cutting it. And let's get started, and keep watching this video in all time. Then let's just draw the line, buttons and pocket with pen. And voila! It's the final result of an origami t-shirt. This is how to make an origami t-shirt in a simple way. I think that's all for now. So I hope you will learn how to do it from this tutorial.